Hello everyone, welcome to the Girlglow DIY channel. On this video, we are going to share how to make Girlglow Bracelet Kit 17. If your OT club looks like this, we will need to open the jump ring first, to separate it into two parts. Hold one side of the jump ring firmly with the chain nose pliers, grab the other side with the second pair of pliers, gently twist. Don't pull the ring sideways to open it, this preserves its round shape. Cut a piece of soft wire about 3 to 4 times of your raised circumference. Thread the wire through one end of the OT clasp. Align both wire ends neatly to avoid waste. A U-shaped protector to protect the wire from fraying. Secured with a position stopper beads to hold everything in place. Here's some techniques. Use a flat nose pliers to press down the small bumps on the position stop. Press down the little bumps with the back part of the pliers for better leverage. And now we could start beading. Insert both wires through the two bottom holes of the 5mm garnet zircon beads. Skip one hole, leave it empty, and pull wires out through the two top holes. Keep both wires perfectly parallel. Then we will add one 5mm garnet red zircon to each wire. For the left wire, enter through right side bottom hole. For the right wire, enter through the left side bottom hole, exit through left side top hole. Now simply repeat the same threading technique with the fourth bead, just like you did for the first one. This will complete your first full panel floral design. Next, we will add one teardrop bead to each wire. For the left wire, teardrop points up right. Insert through the bottom hole, exit through the right hole. For the right wire, teardrop points up left. Insert through a bottom hole, exit through the left hole. Lock the design in place by cross-threading a 2mm silver bead. Again, add one pointed to down right teardrop to left wire and down left to right wire. Now that we've completed one full segment, simply repeat this pattern until the bracelet reaches your desired wrist size. Now let's finish this beauty. Here's the foolproof closing method. Secure the base by adding a position stopper bead, sliding on the U-shaped protector, like a tiny helmet for your wires. And attaching the clasp. Threading wires back through the position beads. Pull until snug, but not too tight. Keep those flowers shape perfect. Flatten the position bead with pliers. Tuck wire ends into nearby beads. Snip excess wire. Super easy yet stunning beautiful, right?